Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF editing software. And in today's video, I will show you how to password protect your PDF using this fantastic PDF tool for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to launch the software. You can use this software on your Windows PC or Mac, or better still, if you are using Android phone, just go to Google Play Store and download the software on your Android phone. If you are using iPhone, go to your App Store and download the software on your App Store. So when you have the software on your Windows PC, and I'm going to use this as an example right here for you to protect with password on your PDF. Go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on secure right here, then the navigate to protect right here. So what you want to do here is to select the PDF file you want to password. So I'm going to go ahead and I have a PDF in my desktop right here. Then I'll go ahead and select the PDF file. So this particular PDF file right here, my docs, I'll go ahead and hit on open. So having loaded the PDF file in the workspace right here, next thing you want to do is to see how we can password this particular PDF. And for that, go ahead and come to the top right here again. Go ahead and click on protect. And this is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to set your password. So enter your password right here. Then confirm your password right here. And go ahead and click on protect PDF. Now you are done. Next thing you want to do is to save the file, and for that, go ahead and click on File. Then go ahead and make sure you go ahead and click on Save File As. Then go ahead and enter the name, my docs, password, require. So then close the bracket. Then we want to make sure I'm going to save this particular file in my desktop right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Password save successful. Now you can see enter password to unlock and open the PDF right here. Go ahead and hit on unlock, and it require password just like so. So if I close this particular window pop up right here and I hit on OK, then if I try to open the same password, the same PDF, I'm going to minimize. Then we have the one with the password right here. So if I click on it and I try to open the PDF right here, so I press enter key on my Windows PC. Let's see. Just like what you see right here, my DOS password require, please enter a document open password right here. So I need to make sure I provide a password right there and hit on OK before I can have access back to the PDF. It's that simple. For you to get access to this particular software, download on your Windows PC or on Mac, consider to check the download link in the description of this video. And then once you download, then run the setup and you have the interface right here. You can start to edit and create a PDF using this powerful PDF editing tool. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use this particular PDF tool, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.